Well, today we are going to discuss about geography, chapter number 4. It is class 7. Okay, class 7, chapter number 4, composition and structure of the atmosphere. It is part 1. So, what we will learn in this chapter? Say to understand the different climate and weather. We will learning in this chapter to understand the difference between climate and weather, and to understand the layers of the atmosphere. So next concept, we understand the atmosphere, some layers of the atmosphere. Okay, and also see here to learn about different types of weather and climate. And last, see here next concept, to learn about moisture condition and precipitation. And next, to understand about different types of rainfall. These all concepts we will learning in this chapter, composition and structure of the atmosphere. Okay, so let us see. First, I talk about composition of air. Composition of air. Of the air. Okay, we know that in our solar system there are 8 planets. In that 8 planets, Earth is only have the supported life. Okay, in that Earth, okay, so some that Earth surface means surrounding by the some layers, that we know that some layers, atmosphere, means 4 categories are there that can be dividing here. So that 4 categories are here. First one is atmosphere, second one is this one, first one atmosphere, second one hydrosphere, third one lithosphere, and fourth one is biosphere. Atmosphere means what? It presents means this layer is a gas, present in the gas. Gases are present in, some gases are present in which layer? In atmosphere. Okay, it surrounds the gas. Means next layer, hydrosphere. Hydrosphere, it is the occurring, this includes the water bodies here, by example rivers, seas, oceans. Okay, so third one, lithosphere, it is the earth surface, on the uppermost of the earth surface, that is we call that crust. And last one is biosphere. This is comprises, means which all comprises the all living organisms here. These are the 4 categories of the earth's surface. Okay, so first I talk about here composition of the air. Okay, so we know that composition of air means what here? Atmosphere. Atmosphere. Okay, air means what here? Atmosphere. In this atmosphere, see here, presented some gases. This atmosphere or air, so it can be present the mixture of gases. So that gases are, see here, nitrogen, oxygen, carbon dioxide. Okay, and some aurora also I am telling here, and afterwards other gases also presenting here in where? Atmosphere or air. Okay, so that is a argon, that. Okay, argon. See here, nitrogen, it is presenting here some 78% nitrogen present in air. Okay, and afterwards 21% oxygen is there, and carbon dioxide is present. See here, that is some low level, that is carbon dioxide is released in the air. Some percentage is not given, some percentage is there, 0.036%. Okay, and some iron is 0.95. 095 present in the argon, and other gases are present in the air. And see here some pie chart of the composition of the air. Okay, and see here it is here presented carbon dioxide, okay, and also here argon and some other gases also presented here, okay, and see here it is oxygen and this all the nitrogen, okay, nitrogen. So this whole gas is present in the atmosphere. Nitrogen is 78%, oxygen is 21%, carbon dioxide is 0.036% and argon is 0.095%, and other gases also present in the air. Okay, and so that's carbon dioxide is some lowest level of the gas, lowest level gas is present in the air. Okay, see here. Next I talk about layers of the atmosphere. Next I am talking layers of the atmosphere. See here, layers of the atmosphere. Some layers are present in the atmosphere. That layers are see here. One is troposphere. Okay, troposphere, and second is stratosphere. Stratosphere, and next third one is ionosphere here. So here that is a mesosphere. Okay, mesosphere, and next is coming here thermosphere. Okay, thermosphere, and last one here exosphere. Exosphere. So these are the layer of the atmosphere. First one is troposphere, second one stratosphere, third one mesosphere, and fourth one thermosphere, and last one is exosphere. So these are located this like, see here, this is the earth. Okay, what is this? Earth. And after the earth, above the earth, some one layer is coming, troposphere. Okay, above the troposphere we are calling that stratosphere. Okay, and next mesosphere, and above the mesosphere next layer is here thermosphere, and uppermost layer see here that is exosphere. Okay, so these are the layers of the atmosphere. Above the earth, that is a troposphere. Above the troposphere we call that layer stratosphere. After the stratosphere, mesosphere locating here. Above the mesosphere located here thermosphere, and uppermost layer exosphere. So I talk about one by one. See here thermosphere, it is the, so I talk about thermosphere. First one, troposphere. Troposphere, it is located, it is above the earth. Okay, so 8 to 16 kilometer above the earth presented. Okay, presented by the 8 to 16 kilometer is there above the earth. Okay, and also see here this troposphere, it is the thickness from the equator, and also here rain, snow, storms and most clouds are presented here. Rain, storms, okay, clouds, okay, and some are presented. Most clouds are occurred here. Snow also occurring here only. So rain is occurred here in troposphere. Storms, clouds and snows are occurred in troposphere. Okay. So here temperature of this layer, it is the decreases. Okay, 1 degree Celsius every 65 meters. Actually it is the warmest. Troposphere is the warmest because of why it is the warmest. It is the nearer to the earth. Okay, it receives the heat of the earth. It is the troposphere, and in troposphere some gases are presented here. That gases are nitrogen, oxygen and carbon dioxide. So these gases supports the life. Okay, that gases are present in where? In troposphere. And after above the troposphere is next layer is stratosphere. Okay, this stratosphere, so why we calling this stratosphere? This is above the troposphere is presented. It extends some height of 50 kilometer. Height how much is? 50 kilometer. How much height? It's 50 kilometer. It is the cold, means cloud free zone. Okay, here no weather conditions are occurring here. Okay, and aeroplanes are flying in this layer. So aeroplanes are flying in which layer? In this layer. Understood? So next one, after the stratosphere, mesosphere is coming here. So what is mesosphere? Its height is 80 kilometer. How much height it? 80 kilometer, and this height is 8 to 16 kilometer. And mesosphere height is how much? 80 kilometer of the height. Okay, and here temperatures are decreases here and increases the altitudes. Okay, and some minimum temperature here minus 90 degrees Celsius. How much minimum temperature here? Minus 90 degree Celsius. Okay, and some it is here, we call that mesosphere. It is around 100 kilometer above stratosphere. 100 kilometer above stratosphere. Okay, after the mesosphere is presented here. So, and some meteoroids and enter the earth atmosphere. It is the outer space burn up to this layer. It is the upper part of this layer. Okay, see here. Afterwards coming here, thermosphere. Okay, thermosphere, this height is 400 kilometer. How much height it is? 400 kilometer. Okay, and this layer is also, we call that ionosphere. Okay, ionosphere. We call that thermosphere, another one name ionosphere, because of here it is the International Space Station orbit. It is the International Space Station orbits. Okay, it is the radio waves, reflect the radio waves back to earth. It reflect to radio waves back to earth. Okay, and also way to the communication satellites of the orbit, means it is the international orbit, means a space station orbit, this one. Okay, and last one, exosphere. What is exosphere? exosphere, it is the uppermost layer. Okay, its height about 1600 kilometer. 1600 kilometer. Okay, so in this exosphere, two gases are presented here, hydrogen and helium. Hydrogen and helium presented in where? In exosphere. Understood? See here. These are the 5 layers of the earth atmosphere. That 5 layers are troposphere, stratosphere, mesosphere and thermosphere, and this the last one is exosphere. And what is troposphere? Troposphere is a lower part of the lower level of the layer of the atmosphere. Okay, so its height about 8 to 16 kilometer. It is above the earth, and some gases are presented here. So that gases are nitrogen, carbon dioxide and oxygen. So these gases are supports the life. And after the troposphere, next layer is which coming here? Stratosphere. Stratosphere height is, it is a 50 kilometer. It is above the troposphere. Okay, and see here in the troposphere, in the first layer occurs the clouds, rainfalls, snowfall occurring in where? In first layer, troposphere. And in second layer, no weather conditions occurring here, no weather activities also occurring here. Okay, it is a free form of clouds. Okay, and here presented thin ozone layer. That ozone layer is protects the harmful ultraviolet rays of the sun. Okay, and it is about 50 kilometer. It is about the totally 50 kilometer, and it is about the troposphere. And aeroplanes are flying in stratosphere. And above the stratosphere, coming here next layer, mesosphere. Mesosphere is 80 kilometer. Okay, and this mesosphere here decreases the temperature and increases the altitude, and minimum minus 90 degrees Celsius temperature is having here. And in mesosphere, okay, it is around 100 kilometer above the stratosphere. And next, above the mesosphere, next layer is presented here, thermosphere. Okay, thermosphere is a 400 kilometer. Okay, and it is we called ionosphere also. So we call here presented in International Space Station orbits. Okay, and some radio waves, some reflects the radio waves sent back to the earth. Okay, send means some pictures also see here. Some reflect radio waves back to the earth. Okay, so some space and communication when we calling the some phone calls, when you is watching television. Okay, how it is possible in the thermosphere. So it is presented here, satellites are presented here. Okay, we called ionosphere also here. And after the end, about the thermosphere, that is about the thermosphere, next layer, last layer is coming here, exosphere. What is exosphere? Exosphere means here it is around 1600 kilometer, and this layer presented in two gases. That gases are hydrogen and helium gases are presented here. Okay, so these are the layers of the earth. So next talking about importance. See here, importance of the atmosphere. Atmosphere. Okay, see here, first important of the atmosphere, it acts as the protective layer. It is the protective layer of the, it protects from cold, it protects from hot. Okay, it acts as the protective layer. How it protect us? How it is protect us? It protects the ozone layer, it protects the cold, it protects the hot. Okay, and second one, it contains, atmosphere is contains which gas? Carbon dioxide gas. So this gas is useful to makes the photosynthesis process. So plants are preparing their own food. So in that time carbon dioxide is presented in atmosphere and it is used to in process of photosynthesis. Okay, and next importance is here it contains the oxygen, nitrogen and carbon dioxide. It is used to means it is essential for the life of the earth. Okay, and next it contains the water vapor. It contains the water vapor and brings the precipitation, means because of means that rainfall. Okay, and also it protects the from the ozone layer. Okay, it protects the ozone layer. Okay, when harmful ultraviolet, it protects the harmful layers, means absorbs the harmful ultraviolet rays of the sun. It protects from the biosphere harmful influences. These are the importance of the atmosphere. Understood? First one, it acts as the protective layer. How it protect? It protect from the cold, it protect from the hot. Okay, it protect from the moderate temperature. And next it contains the carbon dioxide with the used to process the help of the photosynthesis. And next it contains the oxygen, nitrogen and carbon dioxide and it essential for the earth's life. And next it contains the water vapor which brings precipitation, means by example rainfall, and ozone layer. It protects from the ozone layer. Ozone layer absorbs the this layer is absorbs the harmful ultraviolet rays of the sun. So these are the importance of the atmosphere. Okay, so today completing here part 1. So what you will learn in this chapter, today's chapter. So you learn today's chapter some composition of the air or atmosphere. Okay, so that in composition of the atmosphere are presented, it is a mixture, it composed by the mixture of gases. So that gases are nitrogen, oxygen, carbon dioxide and argon and other gases also presented here. In nitrogen 78% present in the air and oxygen is 21%, carbon dioxide is 0.036% and argons are presented in 0.095. Okay, and here some smallest level that is presented, the gas is carbon dioxide. And also we learned today layers of the earth's surface. That layers are troposphere, stratosphere, mesosphere and thermosphere and exosphere. And also we learned today importance of the atmosphere. Okay, so this class is completed here. So next class means next part I am continuing next class. Thank you.